In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GitHub username in under 5 minutes. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. Changing your GitHub username can be necessary for a variety of reasons, whether you're rebranding, have a new personal or professional identity, or simply want a fresh start. So, let's get started. Begin by opening your browser and typing GitHub into the search bar. Once you find and click on the official GitHub site, you'll need to either log in or sign up if you haven't done so already. Assuming you already have an account, enter your login details and access your GitHub dashboard. If you're new, take a few moments to create an account and then proceed to log in. Next, locate your profile picture. You'll find it in the upper right corner of any GitHub page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will guide you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your GitHub account. Once you're on the Settings page, take a look at the left sidebar and click on Account. This will direct you to a section where you can adjust your personal account settings, including the ability to change your username. Now, scroll down until you see the Change Username section. Here, you'll find a button labeled Change Username. Go ahead and click this button. It's crucial to take a moment to read any warnings and implications that accompany this decision. Changing your username can affect older profile links and means you might need to update remote repository URLs if they're associated with your GitHub account. Once you've read and understood these implications and you've decided to move forward, click the option that says, "I understand, let's change my username." This brings you to a field where you can type in your new desired username. As you type, GitHub will automatically let you know whether the username is available or if you need to think of something else. Should the username you want be available, click on the Change My Username button to finalize the process. At this point, you've successfully changed your GitHub username. It's a simple task, but remember to communicate this change to anyone who might need to update their records or access your repositories. Thank you for watching this guide on how to change your GitHub username. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Until next time, happy coding!